Ed, what was it like flying to the stratosphere?
Oh my gosh, this was a tremendous simulator experience. The flight characteristics are very sensitive, but it is really exciting. Think of what this could mean to our effort to decarbonize as we work through sustainable aviation fuel, hybrid propulsion, electric, hydrogen, solar propulsion. This is exciting to see the commitment and the vision of people like the person behind me, Raphael Dumpton.
And Raphael, how were his piloting skills?
It's very good. The landing was one of the best landing in this simulator. It was with the speed, waiting for the stall at the really the good place. No, he's a very good pilot. I can fly with him tomorrow.